Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha, on Monday, Thulani and Nobomi decide to take matters into their own hands when they open a missing person case. Zimkita refuses to let Hlumelo help Ntando and decides to bring prophetess to heal her son. On Tuesday, Ntando reaches a breaking point when Zimkita dismisses a solution that can get him back on his feet again. Thulani stops at nothing to protect his father's legacy and reclaim their inheritance. On Wednesday, Thulani fails to carry through his plans to fix the Mqenge legacy. Hlumelo manages to get his ride or die to ride for him. Ntando's chance of finding help keeps getting more impossible as obstacles stand in his way. On Thursday, Ntando is missing. Nozuko convinces Hlumelo to do the unthinkable where Thulani and Nobomi are concerned. On Friday, Thulani and Nobomi hit rock bottom. Zimkita and Hlumelo share the pain of losing a piece of themselves. Gqeberha starts a fire